Hi everyone, it's Genene, and for today's short restorative yoga practice, you don't need any props, although you may find you want one blanket. Let's begin lying on our backs, drawing our knees into our chest. If you're comfortable with it, you can close your eyes here. Let your tailbone descend deeper into the earth. And then from there, gently guide your knees closer into your body. Breathing a little deeper, a little freer. Feel the grounding action here. Remind yourself what brought you to your mat today, to this particular practice. And thank yourself for taking the time for your practice, for you. Release your legs, feet come to the ground, roll onto your right side and press yourself up. If you have a blanket, grab it and you're going to fold it. This is going to be for your forehead for support. It's just for support, making it a little bit more restorative. Anahata Asana. From hands and knees, walk your hands forward and then play around with where your block needs to be. Let your shoulders wrap up and around, forehead to the blanket. Draw your hands underneath your shoulders, press yourself up. Then you can use this same blanket if you like for your next asana, Supta Baddha Konasana. If you want a little bit more support, you would roll this. Let's roll it longwise. You're going to wrap it around your ankles, like so. Baddha Konasana, bound angle, so the soles of the feet are coming together, knees open, and then you support the ankles with the blanket. And once you've found that, then you lie down onto your back. And if you find you like this, stay with this. Other options include a block on the outside of each thigh, which does the same job. Or alternatively, you could do this with no props. Find the position that works best for you and allow yourself to sink in deeper. Anytime you need to make a little movement, a little adjustment, do that and then come to that place where you no longer need to move and be fully still. No more movement. Gently take your hands to the outsides of your legs to assist your legs coming together. And then choose lying down, or you're going to come up to a seated position. Your choice today. Just set yourself up so that you're comfortable. So if you need that blanket, grab it, or block, whatever you need, so that you can sit comfortably for about 5 minutes. And then gently allow your eyes to close, so not trying to slam them shut. And then you can take your palms face up. You can bring your thumb and your middle finger, your index finger together, if that's comfortable for you. Or perhaps you would rather fold your hands together in front of your lap. Choose what position feels right to you today. If you're female, traditionally the left hand would go over the right. Male, your right hand would go over the left. You may choose to stay here longer, or perhaps you would like to come into Shavasana lying on your back. And if you had a blanket, you could place it on your belly for a little grounding. And stay here as long as you like for now. Thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to hear how this practice worked for you. Namaste.